Primary care physicians in Texas, especially those managing independent practices, face a complex healthcare landscape full of challenges. Despite their dedication, the obstacles can be overwhelming. Financial sustainability is a major challenge. Rising operational costs and fluctuating reimbursement rates make it hard to keep practices afloat. Optimizing medical billing and coding is essential. Administrative tasks are another major issue. Compliance, managing electronic health records, and documenting patient information consume valuable time. Outsourcing or expert training can help reduce this burden. Telehealth offers new avenues for care, but presents adoption challenges. Practices must invest in new technologies and ongoing training. Insurance claim denials are common headaches. Navigating insurance complexities can disrupt cash flow. Refining billing processes and clear communication with insurers are crucial. Regular audits ensure compliance but require significant resources. Staying updated on standards and maintaining accurate records is essential. Advocating for policy changes is crucial. Engaging with policymakers can push for reforms that reduce paperwork and improve reimbursement rates. Are you a healthcare provider struggling with medical billing and practice management? San Antonio Medical Billing LLC is here to help. Our services empower physicians to navigate these challenges. Contact us today to learn how we can support your practice. Credits: San Antonio Medical Billing LLC.